Hello and hi everyone, my name is Nur Atira binti Razali and my matrix number is 01DKA20F2002 and I am from DKA 3A. Okay, so before I start my presentation, I would like to express my gratitude towards my beloved lecturer, Madam Dayana Safra binti Muhammad Sopian, for giving me the chance to be here today. It was such a great pleasure for me to be here today to discuss the topic that I have prepared to present to all of you. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to share with you is the theory of a truss. A truss is made up of a framework consisting of many small triangles. The basic triangles in a truss consist of 3 beams connected in the corner by 3 joints. A triangle on its own would be considered a simple truss, but most trusses are comprised of many triangles connected by a series of chords. Okay, so the objective of this practical work is to assemble the model of truss for the guidehouse and to propose a suitable IBS superstructure system for the guidehouse. Okay, so this is the apparatus that I use in this practical work, which is PVC wiring case, marker, measuring tape, mini hacksaw, bolt and nuts, and cordless drill. Okay, now I'm going to share with you the procedure of this practical work. First, the PVC wiring casing will measure by using a measuring tape. After that, the PVC will mark to a desired length by using a marker pen. Next, after done with marking, the PVC will cut by using a sharp mini hacksaw. And after done all the steps, all of the PVC were connected by a bolt and nut by using a cordless drill. Okay, so this is the truss models. On the left side is the roof truss design, and on the right side is me with the truss that I made. Okay, so this is the guidehouse IBS superstructure system proposal. It has prefabricated steel roof trusses, precast concrete wall panel, precast hollow core slab, sliding window, and precast column. Okay, as you can see on the screen, I'm using a single lift door and a sliding window. Okay, next, the efficient management of time. The critical path method, or known as CPM, is a technique where you identify tasks that are necessary for project completion and determine scheduling flexibilities. Our critical path in project management is the longer sequences activities that must be finished on times in order for the entire project. Any delays in critical tasks will delay the entire project. Okay, CPM can be used to compare expectation with actual progress. The data used from current projects can inform the future project plan. And CPM also helps project manager prioritize tasks, giving them better idea of how and where to deploy resources. Okay, as you can see on the screen, this is the example on how the CPM works. Next, the quality control, which is to identify defect. Inspection, measurement, and testing are performed to ensure that the project output fulfills the acceptance criteria established during the quality planning. While quality assurance are to preventing any defects. It is any systematic process of determining whether a product or service meet a specific requirements. Now, as you can see on the screen, this is the example on quality checking for the guidehouse. Okay, based on the ground house IBS superstructure system concrete, I choose precast concrete panels for the wall because their strength and durability. It is also ecologically beneficial because it is non-toxic, safe for environment, and made from natural components. The next option for roof trusses is prefabricated steel roof trusses. It has a modest weight. Steel is lighter than wood, which is advantageous for shipment and installation process. Lighter materials are frequently simpler to handle during shipment and installation process, and that's why I choose this for my guidehouse. Okay, as a conclusion, I would say that the objective for this practice work, which is to assemble the model of the truss for the guidehouse and to propose a suitable IBS superstructure system for the guidehouse, has succeeded. I learned that there are numerous ways to connect the roof trusses, and one of them was using bolts and cordless drill. And since I already tried this method, I would say that this is the easiest method to connect the roof trusses, and everyone will be able to do this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.